No. 1. 1975 Chevy C10 pickup, 19,900 Baldwin, Missouri. This 1975 Chevrolet C10 pickup is a meticulously restored example of a classic American workhorse. With a clean title and 79,000 original miles, this long-bed, rear-wheel drive truck features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-barrel carburetor, ensuring robust performance and reliability. The restoration includes new front fenders, doors, upholstery, headliner, and interior flooring, all complemented by a fresh paint job over a sandblasted body. The truck is equipped with power steering, power brakes, and chrome wheels, giving it both functionality and a timeless aesthetic. Owned by the same family since new, this C10 represents a rare opportunity to own a piece of well-preserved automotive history. 2. 1978 Ford pickup, $19,995, San Diego, California. This 1978 Ford pickup combines rugged reliability with modern touches. Powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine and mated to an automatic transmission, the truck comes equipped with air conditioning, a Bluetooth-enabled head unit, and a tonneau cover for enhanced practicality. Its striking Lennox-coated black exterior and interior, black wheels with all-terrain tires and tinted windows add to its rugged appeal. At 96,396 miles, it remains in excellent condition, providing a great balance of vintage charm and usability. Ideal for someone seeking a stylish yet functional pickup. 1970 Ford Truck 4x4, $15,000, Roseville, California. This 1974 Chevrolet 4x4 truck is a clean, ready-to-go off-roader with 74,844 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a 350 cubic inch engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers robust performance. Recent upgrades include new wheels, tires, and functional air conditioning. With a straight body, no mechanical issues, and a clean title, this truck is a dependable and versatile classic, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a vintage 4x4. Four, 1971 Ford Ranchero 500, $22,000, Van Wyck, South Carolina. This 1971 Ford Ranchero 500 blends practicality with performance, featuring a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The car has a strong engine and a solid body, enhanced by a well-preserved paint job. While the interior is in good shape, minor upgrades like a new carpet kit and rear shocks would bring it to perfection. The dash and gauges need some attention, and the power steering pump, although functional, may require replacement soon. With a clean title and 87,000 miles, this Ranchero is a reliable and stylish option for collectors or drivers. Five, 1972 Chevy C10, $22,500. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup showcases the iconic design of the era with its vibrant red paint. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it features factory air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. With 79,000 miles, it remains in excellent condition. This two-owner truck is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a classic pickup that balances aesthetics, comfort, and performance. SHA 6. $1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne, $22,900, Nephi, Utah. A stunning example of a garage-kept classic, this 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne features a Vortec 350 engine paired with a turbo-hydromatic 3-speed transmission. With 69,000 miles on the clock, it boasts a metallic blue finish, Cheyenne trim, and a long bed with a spray-in liner. Equipped with front disc brakes, power steering, and Akuza 20-inch wheels, the truck is both visually appealing and mechanically sound. Its fresh service and excellent condition make it ready for immediate enjoyment. Seven 1972 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $22,500, Prescott, Arizona. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, a rare find from the dry climate of Arizona, features a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With just 50,704 miles, it has been impeccably preserved in barn storage. The original wood bed, special ordered at the dealership, is in near perfect condition. This lightly restored pickup, in its untouched original state, offers a unique opportunity for collectors. Eight 1972 Chevrolet C20, $24,000, Tomball, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet C20 is a classic 1-ton workhorse with a rebuilt 350 cubic inch engine and smooth shifting automatic transmission. Recent updates include a new alternator, battery, belts, and brake pads, ensuring mechanical reliability. Its orange paint, complemented by a long bed and original styling, makes it an excellent candidate for restoration or customization. The odometer has rolled over, but this truck remains a testament to Chevrolet's durability. Now 1963 Ford Econoline, $21,000, Nampa, Idaho. As a near original example, this 1963 Ford Econoline pickup is a rare gem. Its 6-cylinder engine is paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, reflecting its vintage character. With 76,000 miles, new brakes, and a clean, garaged history, this Econoline is a well-preserved piece of Ford's innovative compact truck lineup. Its pristine condition and originality make it highly desirable. Hash 10, 1967 Chevy C10 Short Bed Stepside, $22,500, Poway, California. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 Stepside combines classic aesthetics with modern upgrades. Powered by a GM Crate 350 V8 engine and a 700R4 automatic transmission, it boasts power steering and power disc brakes. The Flowmaster exhaust system adds a sporty tone, while its black paint and clean title ensure timeless appeal. Ideal for those who want a turnkey classic truck with character. 1956 Ford F-100 Big Window Deluxe, $22,000, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1956 Ford F-100 Big Window Deluxe is a barn-find treasure. Powered by an Oldsmobile J2 rocket engine, it represents a unique blend of Ford styling and vintage hot rodding. Though stored for 25 years, its solid body and rare big window cab make it a worthwhile project for restoration. While not currently drivable, this truck offers immense potential for collectors or customizers. '12 1950 Chevy drag truck, $24,500, Comanche, Texas. This 1950 Chevrolet 3100 drag truck is a custom-built showstopper featuring an 860 horsepower, 540 cubic inch Chaff-a-Roth engine and a Power Glide transmission with a trans brake. It is designed for the Strip. Highlights include a full roll cage, Willwood disc brakes, and a polished aluminum fuel cell. Its House of Color pearl paint and Lexan windows add to its dramatic appeal. Ideal for drag racing enthusiasts or those seeking a unique classic truck.